riding through Pinedale in the morning. Got a little bit of a late start. It's 7:40. Last night I saw two southbound people going when I was getting out of the grocery store, and I talked to them. One of them was named John, and they said I should stop by the bike store in town to get the hose to rinse my bike off. It's sitting there with a bike stand in front of the store. They also have an air pump that's in front of the store that you could use to fill up the tires. I stopped to take a photo, and I had a train of four people pass me. I caught up to the group from Europe, four riders, moving along pretty good. I ended up riding with for the next 2 days, which was great. It was the Swiss couple, and then Scott from Oregon and his friend Mike. First 30 miles was on pavement, and we also had a little bit of a tailwind. And the goal for today was to try to get as many miles as we could to make the following 2 days through the basin easier. Northbound women, one with a bob.
First person I've seen with a bob.
Yeah. Boulder is 12 miles out from Pinedale and has a small store, restaurant, and motel. On gravel now, but it's very good gravel. Going up the first climb, not bad. Percent. 27 mile an hour. Smooth gravel. This is the best gravel I've seen. Scott had a name for this gravel. He called it champagne gravel. We needed water, so we stopped by this little stream, and we also had a bite to eat and a little bit of rest. One of the camping sites. I'm not going to stay here though. It's too early. It's noon. Oh, there goes two guys. We came to Highway 28. It was a paved highway for about 5 miles. There was a rest area right at the start here. This is where Ryan Van Duzer spent a night. It was nice getting off the highway back on the gravel road again. Coming into South Pass, there was a gold mine on the right that you could see here. South Pass is a very interesting town. It's a historic town, and we stopped off and had some ice cream. We also met up with the two guys that passed us when we were back at that creek, John and his friend. We left South Pass by going up a steep hill, and then we quickly arrived in Atlantic City. I ended up going into town getting something to eat. Mike came into town also to check the weather and see if we were still going to have a tailwind. I've done 90.7 miles. I think I got 6 more. $6:30. I'm cruising pretty good here. I'm doing 12. There's the basin. Look out on it. It's kind of amazing. I'm hoping we have a road that's this good. I haven't seen anyone with a road this good though in their videos.
So this might just be for the first 10, 20 miles. Yeah, the group of 4 I met today, great people. They had food to cook for the most part, and they went right to camp. I needed to get something to eat at the restaurant in town. I want to see what it looked like too. Saloon. And I had a burger. It was good.
Water River Camp that we're staying at tonight is a little bit after this bridge, and there's a cattle crossing. You make a left and go down the trail to where we're camping. Overall, we made excellent progress today. We went 98 miles, and we averaged 12.1 miles per hour with 5,332 feet of climb. River Camp is about 10 and a half miles past Atlantic City. Our site was quite pretty, but there was mosquitoes there that would even bite through your clothes.